Class 10th Physics, Chapter 6, Electricity. Electricity you have read. Now you will solve numerical questions. NCERT numerical problems. तो न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले फॉर्मूला देख लो. ठीक है, जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग फॉर्मूला हियर. यू कैन सी द फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूला हो गया. फर्स्ट, क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज Q इक्वल टू एन ई. एन नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, ई चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन. और ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट I इक्वल टू Q बाय T. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज थ्रू ए कंडक्टर. और Q के प्लेस पे एन ई लिख सकते हैं बाय T. पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और पोटेंशियल के लिए फॉर्मूला V इक्वल टू वर्क बाय चार्ज. ओम्स लॉ से V इक्वल टू आई आर. आर इज द रेसिस्टेंस ऑफ ए कंडक्टर और रेसिस्टेंस डिपेंड्स ऑन लेंथ एंड एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. सो R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is the resistivity, specific resistance. और ये power, that you see power P is equal to W by T, work by T. और P is equal to VI is equal to V square by R. R resistance, V potential difference is equal to I square R. This is the formula. And resistors are connected in series. So equivalent resistance RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Resistors are connected in parallel. अगर सीरीज में resistors है तो current is same current is flowing through the resistors, all resistors, and potential difference will be different. Now in parallel, RP equivalent resistance in parallel combination. So 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So in parallel combination of resistors, potential difference will be the same. Potential difference across each resistor will be the same, and current will be different according to different electrical appliances. Current will be drawn different current through by the electrical appliances. So here Joule's law, H is equal to I square RTH, amount of heat produced in a. This is the coil, a resistor, resistance R, I current is flowing for T time. So this conductor gets heated. How much amount of heat is produced? H is equal to I square RT. This is given by Joule. So it is known as Joule's law of heating. और ये 1 किलोवाट आवर, ये डोमेस्टिक कनेक्शन जो है हम लोग यूज करते हैं, तो यू आर गेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिक बिल. इलेक्ट्रिक बिल इज गिवन in a unit. So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour, this is the 1 unit. So 1 kilowatt hour, so this you are 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt into hour. Hour 60 into 60 second. So ये 6 into 6 36 or 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. So then in this way you can consider. So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So these are the formula for solving numerical questions. Now you will solve NCERT numerical questions. So I am not writing questions, just I will show the book. I will write question number and page number, then you can solve numerical questions. Whenever you will solve, you will take a book, NCERT book, then you can solve.